Hey everyone, okay, so today I want to talk about something that I absolutely love, and that's Dr. Sam. Well, actually it's her Brightly Serum. And yes, spoiler alert, it's brilliant, so I'm going to tell you why. So first off, you already know I adore Dr. Sam. She is smart, she's no nonsense, and she cares about skin, and not in a trendy kind of throw some peptides and hope for the best kind of way. Oh no, it's like properly thought out skincare. I mean, this is Dr. Sam, for goodness sake. Now, Brightly is what I would call a results-driven product. It's got a killer formula, not overloaded, not irritating, you know, just right. You've got azelaic acid at 10%. That's the real workhorse here. Now, azelaic acid is one of those underrated ingredients that can basically, you know, do it all. It's brightening, calming, decongesting, and without wrecking your skin barrier in the process. Now, on top of all that, there's niacinamide at 5%, which is like a little insurance policy for your skin. It calms redness, evens out your skin tone, helps with pores, generally makes your skin behave. I love a bit of niacinamide. I'd bathe in it if I could. Then you've got Bakuchiol. Now, this is a plant-based alternative to retinol. So, is it exactly like a retinol? No. But, is it really great for those people who can't tolerate retinoids or just want something a bit gentler? Absolutely. And then there's also licorice extract, which is a fantastic brightening and anti-inflammatory ingredient. It's just wonderful. Honestly, if your skin is a little bit temperamental, gets red easily, breaks out, dull, you know, this product can help. Texture-wise, it's lightweight, it sinks into the skin beautifully, no stickiness, no weird smell, thank God. And here's the thing, this isn't one of those serums that you use and go, okay, for like 6 months and see no results. No, you will see the difference with this product. Brighter skin, less texture, more even tone. You know, that sort of healthy, fresh look that makes everyone think, you look well. I use it in the daytime, under my SPF. Yes, I'm now using skincare in the daytime. And if you've got sensitive skin, post-acne marks, a bit of redness, or you just want a little bit of a gentle glow up without, you know, inviting the inflammation to the party, well, Dr. Sam's Brightly is a smart choice. And again, I really like Dr. Sam. I love her, in fact. She knows this. I think we'd make a perfect couple. Frankly, I don't know what's stopping us. Oh yeah, I'm married. Right, let me know in the comments what you think, if you've tried it, or if you've tried any other favourites from Dr. Sam. Let me know in the comments. I do read them, you know. Well, I skim them, but that still counts, right? And then you've got Bakuchiol, which is a plant-based alternative to retinol. That's not right. Sorry, Bakuchiol. Let me just see how you pronounce that. Bakuchiol. B-U-K-U-C-H. Pronunciation. Bakuchiol. Bakuchiol. Is it? That doesn't sound right. Just get on with it. Bakuchiol.